Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix application not working on your Android. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to use your Netflix application on your Android phone and you'd like to do something about it, then here's how to do it. The first step is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can also try rebooting your router or your modem. And once you have the stable internet connection, open up your Netflix app and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your Netflix app. Go and open up your Play Store and in the search box, search for Netflix. Once you find the search results, if you see an update button right next to Netflix app, give it a tap in order to update the latest version of Netflix on your Android phone. Once the installation is completed, open up your Netflix application and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, then force close your Netflix application. Open up settings on your Android and from the settings menu, tap on apps. From the app list, search for Netflix and give it a tap. From the app info page, right after you open up Netflix, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right and tap OK from the pop-up. Once you force stop your application, you can also try clearing the data and cache accumulated in the app. Tap on Storage from the same page and tap the Clear Cache button at the bottom right. Once you clear out your cache data, you can also clear out the data of the application. Go and tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom right and tap on OK. But remember that you'll need to type in your login credentials for Netflix once you clear out the data from the app. If you remember your credentials, tap OK in the pop-up and open your Netflix application, log into your account and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever a Netflix application is not working on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.